You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to pronounce the name of this American football player. More names from the NFL coming up, stay tuned. Los Angeles Rams, I believe, for now. Puka Nakua. Alright, so you have the phonetic spelling right here. Puka Nakua. Puka Nakua. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.